Alright, if anybody else is having a shitty day, it ain't as shitty as mine. So you see all that? All that water and whatever the hell that is? This in here is human fecal matter. And they had a 4-inch sewer line that was broken and it was dumping under here. You know when people typically throw their cigarette butts in the toilet and flush them? Luckily there's a piece of decrepit plywood, and then we got some shingles, and then we have nothing. And we come over here walking through who knows what kind of hepatitis, and we've got a low pressure cutout switch. We're gonna go ahead and turn on. Yeah, we got water now. This has got to be the most disgusting place I have ever been into in my life. There's the tank. This is some crazy mess, y'all. So that's satisfied and happy. We had to replace the pump. It got put in a long time ago. My father was here, and the day I was born in '88, he was drilling this well. And he come here, he stopped by because he saw me here changing the pump out. And he come here and told me that I was born the day that this was being drilled. He had to stop drilling it and go to the hospital. So yeah, this is freaking disgusting. Like, absolutely disgusting. I don't know where that was broken at, or what it is, or what it was. Maybe it backed up over there and come over this way. But he said he's got a new tank over here that he wanted me to hook up, and I'm just not too inclined to hook that tank up. So, if you think you're having a shitty day, it's not that bad. If you ever own a rental property, don't ever allow it to get to that condition. That is just absolutely and utterly disgusting, very inhumane. It's a lawsuit waiting to happen. And people like myself have to go under houses like that, or for that instance, an apartment building. And we have to work in that shit. That was the most disgusting job that I personally have ever been on. And I refuse to go back until something has been done under there. I'm not hired to go in there and fix sewage problems. I was there hired to fix the water side of things, the drinking water side of things. And when I had to go under that house, I did it basically just to get the tenant water going, but you know, that was just gross. And I wanted to share it with you to show you what some people live in, and in certain situations they don't really know what's underneath their house or underneath their apartment. So it's very important to always keep an eye on things and let the owner of the home know that something like that has happened, and don't just let it, you know, go on, because there's so many health risks that are tied to a situation like that, where human fecal matter is just underneath the home. That'll get everybody sick. So it's just gross, but I wanted to share it with you. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.